We have installed the JDK and we also have the IDE that is ready. So can we go ahead and then develop and execute the first program? Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is create a project where you can organize all your files. So I go to File, click on New, click on Java Project. So I'm going to give a project name. So I'm just going to say first section. So I'm not going to really change anything here. So either like you can just click on next and then see what you have here and then click on finish. So now we have created the project. So within the project we'll have multiple files and we will write the program and then we can execute it. So I go to source, I right click, click on new, click on class. So this is the first program that you're going to write. So I'm just going to say first program. So if you see here, like it created a file named as firstprogram.java, and within which, if you see here, you have a public class first program and open curly braces and then close curly braces. So in order to like execute the program, you need to have something called as main method. So the main method is nothing but the starting point for your program. So I'm going to have the main method. So it should be a public method and it should be static and it's not going to return anything. And then the name of the method is main, and then it can take a possibly like an array of strings. So this is the main method that we have. So since it's a very first program, so we are just going to print something and then ensure everything is working fine. In order to print something in Java, so you are going to use something called as system.out.println. So you just say system.out.println. So if you see here, I just like put a system.out.println, welcome to Java programming, enjoy the experience. Whatever string that you want to have printed, just give it in double quotes, you should be good. And one important thing that you need to know is Java is a case sensitive language. So if something has to be written in uppercase, you have to write it in uppercase. If something has to be written in lowercase, you have to write it in lowercase. So if you see here, right, I have the system where S is in caps. And then out, so everything is in lowercase. Println, everything is in lowercase. So as we go along, we will learn the conventions that we need to follow when we write our own custom classes and methods. So now with this, we have written the first program. So just click on the save icon to save it. So in order to run it, you can just right click, run as Java application. So once you do this, you have the console at the bottom where whatever you're printing it's going to appear here. So if you see here, like you have welcome to Java programming, enjoy the experience. So with this, we have written the first program and we have done everything great so far. Hopefully we learn other things faster